welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. I am doing just a swipe painting today. I'm just going to lay out some colors and use my palette knife and swipe through, but not with cell activator, just using the colors themselves and see what kind of arms and legs I can create with the piece. Also, on my Facebook page, I've got 9 paintings and 1 clock. Everything is going for $50. I'm not taking bids as far as trying to go higher. I just want to move these things out of my studio. Everything, $50. And I'm talking they're big pieces. They're 24 by 30s. There's this bad boy right here. That's for $50. So, yeah. Go over to my Facebook page, click on the picture, and the first person to say, I want this, you are the winner of the piece. No thrills, no frills, or special things to do. Just go to my the folder's labeled as May Painting Sale 2026, I think is what I put. I forgot. In any case, it is a folder all by itself with the paintings in there. Just go to each one. If you like one of them, leave a comment saying you want it. It's yours for $50. You pay shipping and handling. Okay? All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. Be right back. All right, so I got a little 10 by 20. I'm doing a little small canvas because I'm just playing with some swiping, but I'm not swiping with cell activator. I am just gonna lay out my colors and use those as my swipes. So my first color I'm gonna be using is my base coat, which is purple. This is a violet purple. So let's just stretch this on down. Just getting a base coat here. Perfect. I wasn't even going to do a video today. I was just going to not paint, but I decided to. Let's get this corners and sides here. Just a little experiment. I did a big painting like this before. It actually turned out pretty cool. So these are just leftover colors, so I figured I would just kind of lay them out and swipe them, see what happens. So, got a little Bordeaux Red here, so let's just kind of go quick, like that. Got a little lemon yellow. This is Iridescent blue black. And this here was a little leftover Carmine Red. Let's throw a little bit more of the Bordeaux. And we can make changes, but all I'm really gonna do is kind of just swipe them. Let them kind of make their own little. See if I can keep my hands out of this. Just kind of give. And we can add some more if we want. See, it's kind of selling up, which is cool. Let's take a little bit of the Bordeaux out like this. Blue black. yellow. Carmine Red. Tell you what, let's do a little purple through there. We can just take this. Like that. That down that way. Cool, very minimalistic. Maybe I could do one more out here, kind of. Ooh, look how it's selling up, it's cute. I'm gonna need a little bit of, got a little carried away. So we'll just do a small, like that. There. Some Bordeaux. I'm gonna screw this up if I don't move this. Like that. Shoot. I am so clumsy. So clumsy. Okay. So now we can kind of drag this off that way. Should I bring one more this way? Look at this selling up. That is so crazy. No cell activator whatsoever, guys. This is just paint and water and American Floetrol. Okay, maybe I could take a little of this and just kind of drag it out that way. I'm going to take one more swipe this direction. This one I'm going to just not use that much. Do the same thing with Carmine Red. Just this one. Bring some of that purple in. Try it with this one. Let's see what happens. right. Should I put one over here? I'm gonna leave it. I wasn't gonna paint. Wasn't feeling the vibe to paint. And so, but I went with it anyways. All right, I'm just going to touch my corners. I've got my white canvas poking through. All right, here we are with the wet results. So this is kind of, can be any orientation, but we'll leave it like it is. But look how cute the little cells popped in here. I think what happened is the iridescent blue-black from Pebeo, that is what's selling up. That's what's causing all the cells. Because there's nothing in these. These are all just Amsterdam paints. Look at those. Sorry. Look at those, they're cute, right? No cell activator, all on its own. All right, anyways, let's see this one dry. Okay guys, that is it. So that is the piece. It's kind of hard to see on this purple background. My blues and the yellows kind of faded out. Kind of weird, right? Was kind of shocked to see that happen. But I think if I put some gloss varnish on it, it'll probably make everything brighter again. So anyways, it's a little fun just to play. Like I said, I really wasn't gonna paint, so this is what I got out of it. All right, everyone, have a great rest of the weekend, and I will see you on next week. Bye-bye.